Oh,
there is a celebration.
feast. Oh, what we call feast.
Celebration.
Just for example, birthday.
Like wedding. Oh, food.
Plenty of food. There's a birthday example. She will come to your house, then eat. After eating, there is food left in the table.
I will bring the left.
Put in the plastic, then bring home.
Oh, the leftovers.
That's we call it bring home.
What? And that's we call it bring house.
Because the house.
What is horse?
House?
Oh, you said horse, not house.
I have a question.
Nah.
Before
We live. Okay.
Yes. This mother.
did you enjoy our place here in Philippines?
Yes, I'm very happy. Different culture,
Oh, yeah.
and I want to talk, but I can't talk because I'm also saying. I am saying.
Okay. You don't have to be shy because we're here. Ay, wow. Di pa ako mag-Di ganahan ang takuya kayo. Hindi mag-English mag-mic.
Matang, ikaw regating mo dira, tapos ka may ginagmay na.
Okay. You know, I'm blessed with a good voice. So, yeah.
Sige.
Oh.
Hindi, kanta daw.
Ay, no! That's wrong for me. Oh, you know what's kanta means? Oh, kanta means sing. Kanta.
I don't know.
Kanta. I'm not perfect in speaking English.
Pure English.
Few
Oh,
English.
you enjoy here. Sige na.
Oh, that's sorry.
Yeah.